In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Systemi.io. By the end, you'll have your PayPal account linked so you can start accepting payments through your funnels and offers without a hitch. Before we begin, make sure you have two things ready: a System.io account you can sign into and a PayPal business account with your API credentials available. Personal PayPal accounts won't work for this connection, so if you're on a personal plan, upgrade to business first. Also, confirm your PayPal primary email is verified and that you're using your live credentials, not Sandbox, for real payments. Start by logging into your System.io account. Once you're in, head to Settings, then open Payment Gateways. This is where all your payment connections live, and it's the central place you'll manage them going forward. Find the PayPal option and click Connect PayPal. This opens the secure form where you'll add your details. You'll be asked for your PayPal email address and your API credentials. These credentials come from your PayPal business dashboard and are necessary for Systeme.io to communicate with PayPal on your behalf. Depending on your PayPal setup, you may see credentials listed as a username, password, and signature, or as a client ID and secret. Use the live version of whichever set PayPal provides for your account. If you're unsure where to find them, look in your PayPal business settings under API access or developer settings. Avoid copying test or sandbox keys if you intend to accept real payments. Paste your details carefully and double check for extra spaces or typos. Small mistakes are a common cause of connection errors. If Systemi.io prompts you to authorize access or save changes, go ahead and confirm. When the connection succeeds, you'll typically see PayPal listed as connected in your payment gateway screen. A quick tip before you move on: make sure your PayPal account can accept payments in the currencies you plan to use in System.io. If you sell in multiple currencies, verify those are enabled in PayPal to prevent payment failures. It's also smart to run a small live test purchase once everything is connected, just to confirm the checkout flow is working end to end. If you encounter an error like invalid credentials, confirm you're using a business account, switch to live keys, and re enter them carefully. You can also try disconnecting and reconnecting or using a fresh browser session. And for security, never share your credentials publicly and store them in a secure password manager. That's it, your PayPal account is now connected to Systeme.io and ready to take payments.